everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video we're going to learn how to set up Webhook inside MailMint. So here in this video we're going to learn that how you can set up Webhook inside MailMint with Pabbly Connect. So what is MailMint? MailMint is an email marketing tool that helps businesses send email campaigns, automate follow-ups, and build connection with customers. It allows users to send and manage email lists, design professional emails, and track the performance of email campaigns. It's similar to other email marketing platforms but often integrates with WordPress websites to help manage customer relationships and grow email lists right from your site. So we're going to learn that how you can set up Webhook inside MailMint with Pabbly Connect in this video, okay? So as I've created a workflow in the name of, you can see that it says how to set up Webhook inside MailMint. And after creating the workflow, you can see there are two windows in front of you. One over here says trigger, other says action. Trigger and action are the two most important steps of our automation process because our process depends on these two concepts. Over here, trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means our action is a response towards our trigger. In an automation process, there can be only one trigger step but multiple action steps. We're going to set up our trigger step, and for the trigger application, what we are going to do is we are going to select it as MailMint. As in this video, we're going to learn that how you can set up Webhook inside MailMint. So that is for the trigger application, I'm going to select it as MailMint, okay? And for the trigger event over here, there is a trigger event that is configure webhooks. With the help of this trigger event, we are going to set up the webhook connection between MailMint and Pabbly Connect. After selecting the trigger application and the event, you can see that Pabbly Connect has provided us with a webhook URL. With the help of this unique webhook URL, we are going to connect MailMint to Pabbly Connect by following the steps given here below in the help desk. So firstly, I'm going to copy this URL from here. After copying the URL, over here it says install and active the MailMint and MailMint Pro plugins. In WordPress, navigate to the automation sections under MailMint. Click on new automation or edit an existing automation and choose a convenient trigger. Click on plus icon to add action and go to the send data option. Choose Pabbly Connect from the option. Copy the above Pabbly Connect webhook URL and paste it into the webhook URL field. Enter the data parameters mapping. Click on the capture webhook response button below and make test record so that webhook response can be captured here, okay? So we're going to follow the steps given here below in the help desk one by one. Firstly, you need to log into your MailMint account. So I've already logged into my MailMint account, and this is the WordPress site you can see right over here, okay? On the left side of the panel, if you're going to scroll down, you're going to see an option that is plugin right over here. Under plugins, it says installed plugin. So I'm going to open this right over here. You can see right over here, I've already installed two plugins, that is email marketing automation MailMint and email marketing automation MailMint Pro. Before connecting MailMint to Pabbly Connect, it is very essential to download and activate both of these plugins right over here, okay? It is very important to install them and activate these plugins, okay? As I've already done that, now what you have to do is from the left side of the panel over here, we have to select from these options under MailMints as automations, as you can see right over here, okay? As you go to click on automations, you will be forwarded towards the MailMints automation window, okay? On the top right corner, it says add new automation. We're going to click on this button. As over here, it is asking for the popular pre-built journeys, but we are going to start the automation from scratch. So I'm going to select this option from here, okay? As I've done that, firstly, it is asking for us to select a starting point. So for the starting point over here, I'm going to search for the form submitted. As over here in this video, we're going to learn that whenever a form submission is going to be done using MailMint, how by connecting MailMint to Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response of the form submission. So for the starting point, you can select the starting point according to your requirement. I am going to select it as form being submitted, okay? After that, we have to select the form that we are going to connect to Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to select the form from this drop down. So the trigger setup for the form being submitted has now been done. So as the trigger setup is done, we're going to add an action step by click on this plus icon right over here, and over here on the search bar panel, send data option is provided to us. We're going to click on it. Under which Pabbly Connect is provided, I'm going to select it. Okay. After selecting Pabbly Connect, it is asking for the URL. So I'm going to paste the webhook URL that Pabbly Connect has provided us. Okay. After that, it is asking for the data parameters mapping. These data parameters mapping is the data that we want to capture in our webhook response. I want the data parameters to be first name, last name, and the email. So I'm going to tell you how you're going to do that. Firstly, it is asking for the data parameters mapping. For the key over here, we need to enter the key, the data key that we want. The key over here for the first thing is first name. Okay. And for the value, we have to click on this icon right over here, and under contact, you can see first name is provided to us. As over here, the key is first name, I'm going to select this first name from here. So this is the value. I'm going to add new one. For the next parameter, I want it as last name. So I'm going to write over here as last name. And for the value, I'm going to select the last name. Okay. After that, last key that I want is the email of the form submission. So I'm going to map the data of the email over here. Okay. So these are the data parameters I want in my response in Pabbly Connect. Okay. You can add more data parameters according to your requirement. As I don't require them, so I'm going to delete. Okay. As this is the workflow that I want, now I'm going to click on the start workflow button right over here. As you can see, it says automation has been saved successfully. This automation is now active. As you can see right over here, I'm going to go back. This is the automation that is now active right over here. You need to give a title to the automation right over here. So for the title, I'm going to give the title over here as, let's suppose, test. Okay. I'm going to save this update workflow. You can see a workflow in the name of test has been created in my MailMint account, as you can see right over here. So this automation is now active. Okay, as the automation is now active, what we are going to do is we're going to check whether MailMint is now successfully connected to Pabbly Connect or not. And for that, we're going to do the form submission that we have created with the help of MailMint. And as the form submission is going to be done, we're going to check whether Pabbly Connect captures the response of the form submission being done or not. For that, I'm going to open the form that I've created with the help of MailMint. As you can see, that this is the form that I've created with the help of MailMint. Okay, and we're going to do the form submission of this right over here. For doing that, firstly, it is asking for the first name of our customer. So I'm going to write in the dummy details. So the first name, I've written it as test. For the last name over here, I'm going to write it as demo. For the email over here, I'm going to write it as testdemo@pabblytunes.com, and for the phone number, I'm going to write in a dummy mobile number. After filling in all the details, I'm going to click on the subscribe button. As you can see, it says form submitted successfully. As the form submission is now been done using MailMint, I'm going to open my workflow. I'm going to check whether Pabbly Connect has captured the response of the form submission or not. For that, I'm going to open my workflow and I'm going to scroll down. And yes, you can see right over here, Pabbly Connect has successfully captured the response. Okay, for the first name being test, last name being demo, email as testdemo@pabblytunes.com. So this means that MailMint is now successfully connected to Pabbly Connect, and this is how you set up webhook inside MailMint with Pabbly Connect. So if you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment down below if you have any questions or doubts, and please share this video. Not just with these applications, you can create automation with the help of Pabbly Connect between multiple applications. If you have any doubts, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask your queries on forum.pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding the pricing of Pabbly Connect, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment down below if you have any questions and doubts, and please share this video, and thank you for watching.